I think when I signed up to take Hume, I think the idea that I had was really that this great book's curriculum is a distillation of what would have been a liberal arts education. It informed what it meant to be a citizen. And I think that that's very much true today.
It ended up being that the sequence was one of the reasons I came to Princeton. But between the professor engagement, working with professors in different departments, this incredible reading list, I just had to take the course.
I was really interested in kind of getting a broad overview of world literature because I've been somebody that's interested in everything. And having the opportunity to see an art historian lecture about literature or a philosopher lecture about art has been really rewarding because it teaches you about how to think in different ways beyond sort of your own discipline.
I know in our year we had art history, English, history, religion, history of science, sort of every field of the humanities you could imagine, we had a professor from there. And that was just incredible being exposed to all these different methods of thought and inquiry. And I really think I developed so much over the course of that year in terms of how I think and what questions I learned to ask.
It's pretty special that every interaction that you have in this class with someone who's working to teach you is with a professor who's really an expert in this field. So it's not just in precept, but also with the papers you're writing. You're always hearing from someone who's studied these topics very closely and who really wants to know what you have to contribute and wants to know you as a person. And I think that's quite rare to find in any college environment. And so to have that right off the bat when you come as a first-year student is really, really unique.